How to duplicate Google Ads campaign. So first what you want to do, just go here on the Google Ads website or the Google Ads website overview right here. So we're on the overview page. What you want to do now is just simply go to campaigns. So go to the navigation menu here on the top left, then go to campaigns and wait for it to load. And once you're here, you just simply need to click on the campaign that you want to duplicate. So let's say I'm going to click on this one, and there will be a pop-up menu right here where you just simply need to click on edit. And here at the top, you will see the copy options and the paste option. So for me, I'm going to copy it first, copy. And what you want to do now is just simply click on edit again, then click on paste. And as you can see, you could just simply click on the checkboxes here if you want to pause new campaigns after pasting, or if you want to adjust the start and end dates. So I'm going to pause it for now. I'm going to click on paste. And it's just pasting it right here. You could run it on the background or you could stop it if you want. You just simply need to wait for it to finish. So once that's done, as you can see, I have now the copy of the first campaign that I did. What you can do now is you could either change the campaign name if you want, and you could also apply this duplication on the ad groups. So if you just go to ad groups right here, and let's say you want to duplicate another one, and of course the one that I duplicated earlier has the same duplicated ad group, but if you want to just duplicate the ad group right here, you just simply do the same thing, click on it, edit, and copy and paste it. And after that, you could now change the keywords for this particular ad group. So let's say you want to change a keyword of this one that you copied, and click on it, and it will bring you to the keywords right here. Now you can change the keywords that you want. And that is basically how you duplicate a Google Ads campaign.